Hello, this is Mr. Kent of MrKent.com, and on this video I'm going to show you how to use the code that I've provided for being able to display all of your YouTube videos that are related to a particular subject on a single page. And so that's what this video is about. My church has a website, and they asked me to develop this for them, and in the process I looked on the internet for code that was already developed that I could use, and I couldn't find anything. Therefore I decided, okay, I just will write my own code. I did go out and find little snippets here and there to help me out, but it's pretty simple code. If you're interested in, if you have several videos relating to a particular subject and you want to show them on one page, and like on this little graphic over here, all these videos, well, let's see, let's just go to that page and take a look at it. Okay, all these videos on this page, if I can get it all there, all right, all videos will play in this player up here. And I'll give you an example. For instance, let's go to this bottom middle one here, and if your visitor wanted to watch that video, they would click there, then the page moves up, or we move up the page, and it starts to show the video. So, and there's Mr. Kent talking. Okay, so that's the idea, and whatever one they pick, it shows in this viewer here in the player. So that's the purpose of what this video is about, is to show you how to use that code. So let's go back over here, and if you've come to this page, that's why you're looking at this. There's two pieces of code. This code in the top iframe is the main page, okay, and that page has an iframe in it which pulls up the code, pulls up this page which has this code on it. So we're going to take a look at those two pieces of code, and let's see if I can bring them up here somewhere in here. Okay, so this should be the source code for the main page, and yeah, this is for the main page, and we come down here to right here. This is where we start. So here's the div holder is a div. I mean, the vid holder is the div that holds the iframe, and so that's the player right there. And then the next div down has an iframe in it, and this holds all of the little graphics that the user will click on. And this JavaScript here basically does two things. It tells it how to automatically resize the lower iframe as you install more graphics to it, or more YouTube images. So that's what this code is. And then if we go to this one here, now, you know, if you remember, I had several videos there. So here's the first video, and there's the second one, and there's the third one. And because I have three across, when I get to the end of a third one, I put it's just a table. You notice here's a table, and there's you start out with a table row, and all this code is there for the basic, and then you have to copy and paste, but it's all there. And then when you get to the third one or fourth one, how many ever you want to cross, then you put in a table row to start a new row. And so all the way down, these are the different YouTube videos. Now, there's three things that you'll need to put into each one. First of all, I'll show you. We'll have to go to YouTube and get this, but you'll need that code right there. And you'll notice that each one of these is different. That's the YouTube identifier code. Okay. And then the other piece of code that you'll put in is where to find the image that they're going to click on. That is the thumbnail. Okay, and you're going to download those, and I'll show you how. And then the third thing, if you want a title, this is where the title goes. Now, when we look at the code, let's see if we can find it in here. We'll go back to this page here, and we'll scroll down a little bit. When you look at the code that's built in here, where you see all these X's, that's where you're going to input your information. Okay, like there's for the title, and then if I can scroll over, I don't know if I can get it to scroll over or not, but down in the, let me see, where's the line at? Anyway, down here, I can't get it to scroll, so we won't worry about it. But out here at the end of this line, there's another set of X's, and that's where you're going to plug in the YouTube code. Now, here's where do you get the YouTube code? Well, we have to go to, let's see here, we'll go here, and we'll go to YouTube. This is my YouTube video manager page, and here's, believe it or not, this is this YouTube video, but I made one and now I'm remaking it so that you'll know. Okay, so in order to get the code, you click on that link, and then you scroll down, and we're going to pause it because we don't want to happen to me again. Scroll down, and you go to share, and then from share you come down to embed, and then there's the code that YouTube gives you, but that's got the iframe and everything else in it. And all you want to plug into the code that I'm giving you, all you want is that part right there. So you would copy that and paste it in to the entry for your YouTube video. Now, so we'll go back here, and we'll go back to the manager page, and then in order to get the thumbnail, you click on edit, and over here are 3 thumbnails, and so you'll right click on it and click on save as and download it to your computer, and then you'll upload that to your server. So that's where you get the information to put into each of the pieces of code. Like right here, the code that comes from YouTube, the YouTube video identifier comes there, and then the graphics has to come right in through there, and then the title, if you're going to give it a title. Now, when I do this, I use MySQL, and I generate all of this through data, and I plug those 3 items into a database table, and then when this page comes up, then it regenerates all the code from what it finds in the database. But you can hand code all of this in. It's not that difficult if you don't have access to a database. So this particular page here is for my jQuery slide down menu, and these are the different videos that I've made to help learn how to use that code. And then on that page, of course, they click here and it takes you to the page that we're talking about here. So I hope you can enjoy using this. I hope it's useful to you, and if you have a lot of YouTube videos that relate to one subject, you can this will just keep dropping down the page, and the more I have 9 for this particular item, but they keep on, you can have them keep on dropping down the page. And I think if I go over here, this takes us to my church and the page that they have, and we'll turn that off, and we come down here, and there's all the videos that they have of the pastor preaching. So you just keep adding to it, and then the iframe continues to get larger. So I hope this is helpful, and you'll find this page at mrkent.com, YouTube display page /index right there, if you're not already on that page. Or you can just go to mrkent.com, and under free small business tools, you'll find it right there. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for visiting mrkent.com, and come back often.